Hey guys, it's Joseph. Last time, when we did a 4-channel experiment using two Thinkware U1000s, you guys loved it. So this time, we're gonna go even bigger and we're gonna do 6 channels using 2 of the brand new VIOFO A139 triple channel dash cams. Just to recap, the VIOFO A139 is a 3-channel dash cam where it's 2K QHD front with 2 Full HD interior and rear. Now, if you combine all 3 dash cams, you're gonna get a field of view of 310 degrees. Now, let's say we take 2 VIOFO A139 3-channel dash cams and put them together. What are you gonna get? Well, I don't know, maybe like 620 degrees field of view? That's probably a bit of an overkill, but hey, we're gonna install it in my car anyways, and let's go do a little bit of an experimentation today. So let's go get them installed. Now, before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on everything VIOFO. So here we have the 2 sets of the VIOFO A139 3 channels. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put both front cameras in the front and rear windshield of the car so that we're gonna get 2K footage going out the front and going out the back. Next, we're gonna install the IR cameras inside. So we're gonna have one in the front windshield and the rear windshield facing inwards. So we're gonna get dual IR footage of the in-cabin from the front and the rear. Last but not least, we'll install the 2 rear cameras facing outwards of the left and right side of the car so that we're gonna get full HD footage of that too. So we're gonna get a complete 360 degrees of the entire car. I say, wear a mask, kids. So we've got our front camera installed in the back, and now let's go install our interior camera right here. Toss it. I shouldn't have taken off the zip tie. Oh, life's a mistake. My life's a mistake. Oh God. Oh, it's a workout. Go. We're good. We're done. All hooked up. Well, now that we've got all these devices hooked up, let's go for a drive. Now here's the view of the road ahead in 2K QHD with a 140-degree field of view. Because we are using the front camera of the second A139 system on our rear windshield, what you're seeing here is 2K QHD at 140 degrees of the road behind us. And here are the 2 interior cameras in our 6-channel setup. Now here are the 2 A139 rear cameras recording the left and right side of the car. And as you can see, the fisheye effect from the 170-degree wide-angle lens is pretty obvious. Finally, let's check out the nighttime footage. Here's the front camera on the road ahead. On the side that's facing the street lamps, because of the light, you do get somewhat of decent video capture. But the side away from the street lamps, the image is quite dark. Well, and there you have it. What do you guys think? Personally, I think 6 channels is a little bit of an overkill, like I said before. But I will say that because it's a VIOFO dash cam, the quality is definitely a lot better compared to the 8 channels that you would get typically in a Tesla vehicle. Something that we did notice though, is that when we installed the rear cameras on the sides of the vehicle, as opposed to the rear, it did give us a bit of a fisheye effect. I think it's something to do with that 170-degree field of view that the rear camera offers. It's not that big of a deal though. It is slightly more prominent when you're turning your vehicle. Here's another thing that you should be cautious about. If you're trying out this setup yourself, because you're going to be having 2 front units in your vehicle at once, one in the front and one in the rear, you can technically enhance that audio recording by plugging in an external mic into both units. Now, the one thing we want you to be cautious about is that you might experience screeching audio feedback because they're recording at the same time. And hey, if you're interested in trying out this particular setup yourself, we definitely encourage it, and we'd love to see the results as well. Be sure to share it with us, and we'd even love the opportunity to share it across our social media and to the world. And that's all for today. If you're interested in learning more about the VIOFO A139, or you want to try out this setup yourself, we definitely encourage it. You can learn more on our website at BlackboxMyCar.com. Now, if you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next purchase. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar. Thanks for watching.